Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I will present about my Arduino project. It is car parking system. We start with the component that we use. Firstly is Arduino Uno. The Arduino Uno is the best board to get started with the electronic encoding. Secondly is IR sensor. It is an electronic device that measures and detects infrared radiation. Thirdly is LCD, a display module designed for Arduino microcontroller. The fourth one is servo motor. It is a small device, be a gate in my Arduino project. Fifth is a breadboard. It is a construction base used to build semi-permanent prototypes of electronic circuit. Lastly is jumper wire, a simple wire that have connector pins at each end. My objective about this project is to create a system that can easily find a parking space and check whether the user park the vehicle or not. This system has been provided in a few shopping malls for their customer easily find their parking. Therefore, we create a device that can detect parking spaces that are still empty to make it easier for staff and employees to find their parking. Although it was a bit challenging for us to carry out this project, we still work hard until the last drop of sweat. Thus, we will make sure that our project will be successfully useful for others. The problem statement in this project is, in this modern day, finding car parking is a big issue. In congested city, one of the biggest problem is when we enter a parking area and then we realize that there are no empty parking. In this tutorial, we will design a smart parking system project to overcome this problem.
The market potential is the entire size of the market for a product at a specific time. It represents the upper limits of the market for a product. In this age of modernity, we believe that the market potential for our product is very high. This is because most owners of supermarkets and shopping centers nowadays apply and use smart parking technology in their parking places to ensure the safety and convenience of their customer in ensuring that they have parking for them to park their vehicle. In fact, this parking technology can be display parking spaces that are still empty so that members of the public do not have to waste their time looking for an empty parking lot. There is 4 project logistics. First, finding project plan. The first step before we start doing our projects, we build our project plan and it's seen to be the part that will have a big impact on each process. Break down the work. Each group member has been assigned with their own assignment. Each task must be complete at a specific time and date. Assign resources to tasks. This step involves calculating the needed tools and machinery to complete the task. Involves the skill level of talent. Generate project plans. Generate the final project plan to inspect potential conflict. May find the estimate costs, doesn't resources estimate.
This is our project coding. It will see a part of LCD that we use, a part coding of IR sensor, servo motor, a number of connector jumper wire, a number of delay, and the word for LCD print. That's all from us. Thank you for watching.